Shall we go on to the string beans? I have some petits haricots verts, you know, the thin one. And you have some of the bigger, actually, those look more tender, a paler green, you know?
Then these are really quite expensive, aren't they?
They are a bit more expensive, without any question, yes. And you don't find them in many markets, actually.
No.
Usually, I know they used to be cooked in a lot of liquid. I cook them with very little liquid, as you can see here, so that by the time they finish cooking, the liquid is practically evaporated. In fact, I don't even have salt in it. Then I cover it, which we were not supposed to do. Everything against the rule.
No, we'll see how they turn out.
Okay.
Well, I'm going to do mine toward the rule. I've got these big ones, and I'll just take the little end off like that.
Right.
That's the longest part of it, is taking the end off.
Yeah, that part, you're right. Okay.
Now, I'm going to have heavily boiling salted water. This is the more water, the better in this system. And then now you'll have to hand me my poker.
Oh, yes, that's right.
Now, this is a system I learned from my old chef who used to work on the transatlantic steamers.
And here it goes?
Right away. You see that? The idea here is the faster the water goes back to the boil, the greener the beans. And so these just have to cook until they're tender. It's just about 4 or 5 minutes.
I do some sliced shallots. For mine, I'm going to cook sliced shallot. Well, mine are ready. And you can see I basically have no water. So, you know, I remove them, and I know it was classic to put them in ice cold water to cool them off. If I have a large quantity, I still do it. But if I don't have too much, then I think I get more taste out of it.
Well, the ice water is if you want to do them ahead.
That's true. Now what I want to do here, I want to saute them directly in that pan now. So what I will do, put a little bit of olive oil there, maybe a dash of butter, and I have some sliced shallots here. Okay, and that's it. I want to saute the shallot maybe 30 seconds to a minute, add my string beans, salt and pepper, and that's it. So where are you?
Okay.
Where are you at?
Well, I want to taste one. And just to be tender through, but with the slightest
slight bite,
according to Escoffier.
Good.
That's just done.
Very good.
Well, mine are greener than yours.
Well, mine has a different type of green.
Yes.
So what are you putting in there? A little bit of butter?
I'm just going to put in a little butter here. And how much butter depends on how you feel about butter, doesn't it? Well, and you don't never put in the salt until you're going to serve them, because the salt takes away the green.
So, we have the string beans with shallots here, haricots verts rather. This is a paler green, yes? But they were already paler when we started. Yes. It was a different type of string bean.
Well, those look lovely, I think, Jacques.
They look
Either
lovely.
way.
Both of them. I think.
Oh, that little lemon would be nice.
Yeah,
I think,
I'm going to cut a
remember,
lemon for that.
with the green vegetables, salt and lemon will take away the green color right away, practically. Serve them as soon as possible.
I think I'll cut a lemon and cutting it. See, I cut those on the side like this, so that by the time it's cut,
Oh, that's nice.
you have a nice spiral effect, you
In
know.
the middle. Oh, that's beautiful.
Maybe a little piece of spring of thyme or something in the middle here.
It's nice we can get fresh herbs now.
Yes,
isn't
it's
it?
incredible.
Well, we have quite a bit more to do on
Yeah.
our vegetables, so let's get at it.